Hello, my people of the internet. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys 5 reasons you're not growing on YouTube. And I also think if you improve these things, it will definitely help you grow faster and gain more subscribers today. Number 1, making unique and interesting thumbnails. Keeping the text really simple. Making your own theme to your thumbnails that is very consistent and has its own brand to it. That would make a huge difference. You could even put your face on there, which makes a huge difference. People are more likely to click if your actual face is on the thumbnail, rather than just some plain thumbnail that doesn't even make any sense. Colors that go together, fonts that stand out, just being consistent. Okay, I think you guys get the point. Now, this doesn't mean your thumbnails need to be like amazing, like perfectly designed and all of that stuff. It just needs to have a theme to it, a theme that goes with your channel, and that's pretty much it. Number 2, editing out all the unimportant stuff. Maybe you're just dragging one point on for way too long and not getting to the point of whatever the point is, like I'm kind of doing right now. Or perhaps you're silent and you're just not talking for 10 seconds. And you're just awkwardly staring at the camera like you don't know what you're about to do next. See, that just doesn't work. And not to mention, by editing out this stuff, you will get better retention, better watch time, more subscribers, and more views, which we all love, let's face it. Those views are pretty damn juicy. Number 3, not having a targeted audience, or not even knowing what a targeted audience is. Like, look, who are you really gonna promote your videos to if you don't even know what kind of content you're making yourself? One day you're doing a tech video, the next day you're doing a reaction video. It's like, how are you gonna find people interested in your content? You really need to target one thing, one targeted audience. And once you find this out, I promise you things will be 100 times easier, and you'll know who to actually promote yourself to. And that goes on to number 4, not promoting yourself enough. Now, many people are spending all their time making the perfect video, making high quality content, focus on what they can do to be better video quality wise, but they're not putting enough time into actually getting it out there. And not just that, getting it out there in effective ways that are not just spamming people and being super damn annoying. I think personally for me, spending time making actual genuine connections that I can relate to, that I can talk to, and that we can become better friends along the way makes such a huge difference in the whole promoting and getting your content out there. Number 5, copying other YouTubers too much and not being original. Now, whatever your targeted audience is, it doesn't really matter if you're not being a little bit different, a little more unique than the rest of the people in your competition or niche. For example, I am making advice videos for YouTubers and videos on YouTube in general. Now, there's a lot of people that do have advice channels out there, but mine is an advice channel, but it is also fun. So fun. So how can you make yourself more unique, make yourself more original in whatever it is you're doing so you can actually stand out and grow your channel? And let's face it, growing is a lot of fun. But hey, those are just my opinions. Leave a comment down below. I want to hear what you guys have to say. And until next time, your friendly neighborhood bad outros. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff, and bye.